Hello students, today I am going to teach you rationalization. What is rationalization? In denominator, if any number appears in the form of irrational number, then to remove irrational number from the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by such a number which makes the denominator a rational number. Now let us see how we rationalize any denominator. So first of all, let us take this is a simple example, root 3 plus root 2. Since denominator is irrational number, root 3 is irrational and root 2 is also irrational. So the sum of two irrational number is always irrational. To make it rational number, we just take such a number like root 3 minus root 2. We know that a plus b and a minus b, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So if here it is plus sign, then we multiply it by minus sign so that this comes in the form a plus b and a minus b. Now to equalize, we just multiply the same number by root 3 minus root 2. So what it becomes? It becomes root 3 minus root 2, and a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square, that is root 3 square minus root 2 square. It becomes root 3 minus root 2 by 1. So in this way the denominator now is either removed or we get a rational number. In the same way, we take another example as 5 by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. 5 by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. If this is rationalized by 4 root 3, here it is minus, so we multiply by plus sign. So 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 3, and we just change the sign. Again, since we have multiplied this number by this, so we have to put here also 3 root 2 so that there shouldn't be any effect on the number. If we multiply numerator by any number, then we have to multiply it by denominator so that there shouldn't be any effect on the number. Now it becomes 5 into 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. It becomes 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 4 square 16, root 3 square is 3. So 16 into 3 is 48, 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2. So 9 2 is 18. It becomes 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 20. So 5 4 is 20. So finally we get 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 4 after rationalizing. Based on rationalization, we have few more questions. Let us see. 5 plus root 6 by 5 minus root 6. We have to rationalize this number. So how to rationalize? Here it is 5 minus root 6. So we have to multiply the given number by 5 plus root 6 and divide by 5 plus root 6. So in numerator it becomes 5 plus root 6 and 5 plus root 6. 2 times 5 plus root 6. So 2 times multiplied is 5 plus root 6 whole square. And this is 5 plus root 6 and 5 minus root 6. 5 square minus root 6 square. So we already know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by applying this formula a plus b whole square here, we get a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by 5 square 25 minus root 6 square is 6. So we get 5 square 25 plus 5 to the 10 root 6 plus root 6 square is 6. So 25 plus 10 root 6 plus 6, and in the denominator we get 25 by 6, that is 19. So finally we get 25 plus 6 is 31 plus 10 root 6 divided by 19. So in this way we can rationalize this number. Again we have another number 2 root 6 minus root 5 divided by 3 root 5 minus 2 root 6. So we have to just see the denominator, not the numerator. We have to see the denominator because we have to rationalize the denominator and make it rational number. So we multiply and divide by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Here it is minus, so multiply by changing the sign plus, and 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 here also. So it becomes, this becomes just this number and this number is totally different. So we have to multiply this 2 root 6 multiplied by this whole number 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6, and then minus root 5 to this number minus root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6, and in the denominator we have 3 root 5 whole square plus 2 root 6 whole square. So finally we get 2 3 is 6 root 30 plus 4, 2 2 is 4, and root 6 is 6. So 6 4 is 24 minus root 5 5, so 3 5 is 15 minus root 6 into root 5 root 30, and in the denominator we have 3 3 is 9, 3 root 5 into 3 root 5, 3 3 is 9, root 5 5. So 9 5 is 45 minus 2 square is 4, 4 6 is 24. So it becomes 24. Now finally we write the answer. 24 minus 15 is 9. 6 root 30 minus 2 root 30, 4 root 30 divided by 21. So 9 minus 4 root 30 by 21 is the result of this question. Again we have one more question. Root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. You can just see the two numbers are same, but the difference is one is reciprocal to other. Now let us see this question. Either you take the LCM of these two factors, or you can simply rationalize first one and second one separately and then write the answer. So let us do by rationalization. We write this one as root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2 by root 5 minus 2. So for this factor only we have written this one because we are rationalizing this one. Again we have to rationalize this one also. So we just write root 5 plus 2 Now look at this question. Root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. Just see this part and this part. One part is reciprocal of the other. So either we can take LCM of the denominators of these two parts, or just we can rationalize this part and this part separately, and then we can subtract them. So first rationalize this part. Root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2. So we have already rationalized this part. Now come to this part. Root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 2. So now these two parts have become, here it will be minus, not plus. So this becomes a minus b, that means a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that means 2 to the 4 root 5 by root 5 square is 5 minus 2 square, that is 4. So it becomes 1. Again in this part, root 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 into ab, that means 4 root 5 by 5 minus 4, that is 1. So this becomes 5 plus 4 minus 4 root 5 minus 5 plus 4 plus 4 root 5. So now subtracting these two parts, we get 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus plus is minus 4 root 5. So minus 9 plus 9 is cancelled, it becomes 8 root 5. So in this way we can rationalize any of the questions whose denominator is in irrational number.